Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Mountfield on Radfall Ride in Chestfield. Set within a gorgeous woodland setting, this detached family home offers everything you could possibly need in a family home. You've got 4 bedrooms here, the ensuite and main family bathroom, beautiful lounge with wood-burning stove, dining room with access through into the kitchen and utility areas. You've got the conservatory overlooking the rear garden as well. And the garden itself measures at about 120 feet, and to the front you've got plenty of off-road parking. Now you've got the large detached workshop here as well, with the first floor extended as well. So having come through from the hallway into the dining area there and through into the kitchen, you've got that really fantastic utility area there at the end. Lots and lots of further potential with this property. And then coming back through from the kitchen and dining area, we're going to go into the hallway and go through and take a look at the rest of the reception spaces here on the ground floor. Now heading along and taking a left-hand turn, we come through into this beautiful big lounge area, and of course you've got the wood-burning stove and a fantastic study space through to the front. So it's nice to have that separation of spaces if you just need that little bit of space to work away in at the front. Now to the rear, you can see there you've got the access into the conservatory that overlooks that 120-foot rear garden, and we'll go through and take a look at the garden just a little bit later on in the tour. We're going to continue on the tour of the ground floor before heading upstairs to take a look at all 4 bedrooms with the ensuite and main family bathroom. Then we'll head back downstairs and go through and take a look at the workshop and the garden. So here we are upstairs at Mountfield. We've got a couple of different bedrooms to go through and take a look at, so we'll start at the front here. Lovely double-sized room opening through into the dressing area. You've also got the fitted wardrobes there as well, and then to the front we've got that ensuite, a really nice space to enjoy. From there we've got 3 further bedrooms to go through and take a look at. Lovely little views there from the windows as well to the surrounding woodland and countryside. To the front there, of course, the ensuite loo, sink and shower unit there as well on the right hand side, and as I said earlier, you've got the dressing room and fitted wardrobes. We've got more bedrooms to go through and take a look at up here on the first floor at Mountfield alongside the main family bathroom as well. We'll take a look at all of these spaces, then we'll head back downstairs and take a look at what we've got there. Another bedroom this time to the rear with the view looking across the rear garden there. You can see the workshop on the right hand side, lovely view of the trees just behind you there as well. Lovely setting here, short drive up through the forest towards Canterbury, and of course in the other direction to the seafront, so a very popular and a worthwhile location. Coming across another bedroom here, bedroom number 4, again good sized room, this time again with those fitted wardrobes, and then to finish off the tour, upstairs another bedroom just here at the corner, this time again with the fitted wardrobes and the view out to the rear. We're going to head down and take a look at the workshop space, into the garden, go through and take a look at everything that we've got there. We'll reconvene a little bit later on to go through the property's key points once we've had a good look at the garden. So there we have it. We've had a really good look around the ground floor, first floor, the workshop area as well, and the good sized rear garden measuring at about 120 feet. It's time just to go through a couple of the property's key points though before wrapping up today's video tour. So this is Mountfield and Radfall Ride in Chestfield, a delightful woodland setting for this detached family home that offers 4 bedrooms with the ensuite and main family bathroom and downstairs loo, got the lounge with the wood burning stove, dining room with access through into the kitchen with the utility area through to the rear. You've got the conservatory as well, and then externally we've got that 120-foot rear garden with the detached workshop with the first floor, and you've got ample off-road parking to the front. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.